Good morning, my name is Javier, and today we are gonna talk about the colonization of Mars. Well, as you have seen in the more recent times, people have been studying or researching a lot of things because our planet has not been in the best conditions. One of these things is that people are trying to see if it's possible to colonize other planets for humans to live in. This is because many causes, just curiosity, overpopulation, the destruction, slowly destruction of our planet, and many other issues that we are not able to mention. But is it really that suitable? Because first of all, they haven't done enough research to solve the problems on the Earth, and they are already trying to go to another planet. Maybe if people, instead of spending money or time trying to get to another planet where we don't know if it's useful or not, try to research more about our planet with the things we haven't explored. For example, more than 70% of the oceans have not been explored, so maybe the solution to some of these problems are under there. And also, some of these problems could be solved with the money they are spending on. For example, the thing with poverty is that maybe if they spend less money on researching on space and give it more to charity causes or similar, they could have a better time with the problems. But yeah, this time they are spending, if not millions, they are spending billions of dollars on this research, but they have not made any progress that is relevant to us. The most interesting part they have done is that they were able to send robots to the planet, but they have not been able to send humans because this will be a very long trip just to get there, and they also need a way to sustain food without anyone having to provide them, not unlike on the satellites around Earth or in the moon, but that's very troubling. The purpose of this colonization is not only to research the planet to know what advantages of uses we could have on it, but also for humans to start living on it because there's no type of exposure to the environment that could be very dangerous. But the purpose of this is that when the planet we are living on right now isn't suitable enough, or there are so many people that they can't afford to live here, some of them will go to Mars and start living them so they could divide the Earth's population into two parts and make both planets better for their population. As I have said, the advances have been very low, so that's why I think they maybe should be focusing on other things more than this. But for example, on the moon, it seemed like it never came, but it did happen later than ever. But with that advancement, they were able to do more researches and know more about their universe. So maybe they could do the same with the planet of Mars. In conclusion, I think that they should spend less time investigating that thing, but it might be useful for population to divide onto these planets, and in the future it might be useful the research they gather from that planet.